Friends, today we are reviewing the legend of speed, Ferrari LaFerrari. It is the quintessence of power, technology, and Italian style. While you are watching, like and subscribe. There are even more cool cars ahead. The Ferrari LaFerrari looks like a Formula One car for public roads. The low silhouette, aggressive lines, aerodynamic elements, huge air intakes, and the iconic Ferrari badge immediately make it clear that we are looking at a masterpiece of engineering. From the side, this supercar amazes with its ideal proportions and aerodynamics. Seagull wing doors, carbon sills, alloy wheels with carbon ceramic brakes. Everything is created for speed and stability on the track. The rear is pure beauty and aggression. Iconic round lights, a massive diffuser, and a central exhaust that produces the signature roar of a V12. Even standing still, this beast looks like it's ready to take off and fly away at 350 plus kilometers per hour. Under the hood is a hybrid 6.3-liter V12 paired with an electric motor. The result is 963 horsepower and 900 newton meters of torque. Acceleration to 100 kilometers per hour is less than 3 seconds. The maximum speed exceeds 350 kilometers per hour. This is not just a supercar, this is the future of motorsport in its purest form. The interior is minimalism and technology. Carbon seats, a Formula One style steering wheel, a digital instrument panel, racing switches, everything for complete concentration on driving. There is nothing superfluous here, only sport and adrenaline. The Ferrari LaFerrari is not just a car, but a real art. This is a car that millions dream of, and today we saw why. What do you think about the LaFerrari? Write in the comments, and if you like the review, subscribe and like it.